So about 2 months ago, I got my very first silk bonnet and silk pillowcase. And I was so excited to get these because I've been wanting silk hair accessories, real silk hair accessories, for a very long time. I got my items from MYK Silk, and this is mulberry silk, really one of the finest types of silk. So after about 2 or 3 weeks of using the bonnet and the pillowcase every single night, I knew that it was time to give them a good wash. And my first instinct was to just throw them in the washing machine, but I realized, this is silk, so I need to take a little special care in how I treat the fabric. So if you have silk hair accessories and you've been wanting to know how to take care of them, watch the next steps that I'm showing you, because there are a few major rules that you need to be aware of when maintaining your silk. Your silk is special, so remember to treat it that way. You never want to use bleach, laundry pods, or stain-fighting detergents. These are highly damaging to silk, so stick to specialized, delicate detergents. You want to treat your silk hair accessories just like any other delicate garments. Now, I'm hand washing mine in cold water, but you can hand wash in cold to lukewarm water or machine wash cold on the gentle cycle. So I rinsed my items twice in cold water just to make sure I got all of the suds and all of the woolite out. And you be careful because you never want to wring your silk to get all of the water out. I am gently squeezing to remove the excess water. And the reason you should not wring your silk hair accessories or your silk anything is because when you wring it and twist it like that, it could damage the shape of your hair accessories or your silk clothes, whatever it is that you're taking care of. So just remember not to wring. And as far as drying, silk is very strong when it's dry, but it's pretty weak when it's wet. So I am just going to hang my items up to dry, let them hang out overnight. If you choose to put them in the dryer, you can certainly do that. Just make sure you put them on the lowest setting that your dryer has. Oh, let me give this disclaimer. So you may not want to put your regular silk items in the dryer. However, the MYK Silk website clearly states that you can put these items in your dryer on the lowest setting. Now, you also have the option of taking your items to the dry cleaner. Me, I'm all about saving my money and just taking care of my items at home using my woolite. So I hope that you found value in this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know how you maintain your silk or any of your delicate items, if you use woolite, and what other gentle laundry detergent is out there, because woolite is all that I know, but I'm pretty sure there are other gentle laundry detergents out there. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it naturally corporate.